Hey guys, I'm gonna do my DVD review of Birds of Prey, the complete series. $7.95. This should up on the same channel as Smallville. There's a receipt from Fry's and a little booklet. There's disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, and disc 4. There's like a Birds of Prey movie, which I'm gonna see also. I haven't seen that movie at all. Tell me what you guys think of it. Anyway, guys, I gotta go. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, click the notification bell, and comment down below. Thank you. Who's your favorite character from the show, and what do you think about this show? Alright, so see you guys later. Bye.